Hey, it's Sammy on September 23rd. Today, the Dow pushed an all-time high. What do we have? 47,000, just over 47,000. Today's trades, we took it up and then we took the reversals off. This is our open. You can see I have a line that says long break with data. Wow, do we have the data? We have power zones in our sentiment. We have excessive momentum, and then we're going to start getting volatility breaks. We are trailing these things very aggressive. You can see we're aiming for the 123.6 and R1. We get up there and hit. Got to manually close. We only locked in 40 points on this first trade at the open. All right, this is what I love about trading with data. I can read my way in. The data is growing, it's getting stronger. So all we did, waited for the market to pull back so everyone else could jump in, and we re-enter the market. Now we're gonna trail up and we're gonna run a trailing stop of 31 points. So we'll see what happens. The reason we're being aggressive, these are record highs with R1 and 123.6 Fibbo level. All right, so now you can see we have smashed through. We're going to go up to the next level, 39 points away from here, the 138.2 Fibonacci extension. There is no volume up here. The market is just stalling out, but the data is still incredible and growing. So we're going to go up, and there's so much information here telling us we're going to keep longing. We smash into our take profit, 39 points. All right, this is where I start getting a little crazy here. We still have the data. It is kind of decaying on the smaller time frames a little bit. This is where things get interesting. We're going from the 150 to the 168 and R2. Really end up with a break-even trade here. Now we're starting to really max out. The market's starting to get exhaustion and induce people in. So you can see the market almost hit that R2 level, that 161.8 extension, very strong point of resistance. There's two things stacked up here. We're trying to go back in again because we did have a nice bull test support down there, that little single bottom pattern. Let's jump in the trade, and we're going to trail it and just lock in 5 points. We're done at the top here. We are at the high of day. We are at R2. We are at the 161.8. We are now decaying. Notice all we have is high time frame data. That was in the 400s. Now it's all the way down to 200, right? 300. Now all of our short time frames are rolling over up here. All this volume is trapped and stuck up here. Everyone wants to exit. We're going to ride the sell. You can see how fast once that data flipped into play. Now we're just trailing our stop all the way down. We're going for this 200 moving average, this white line right here, and we're gonna lock in 52 points. Now we're gonna take the next push down. We've actually cleared the 200, and we're heading down towards that previous resistance 123.6. VWAP is there. That's that pink line that we're aiming for. Our data just keeps decaying and decaying and decaying now. So now we're safe to start shorting some more. You'll notice I start trailing very aggressively. The reason why is I have conflicting data. I know this is a higher risk trade. I want to lock in any profits I obtain. So what ends up happening is we pin all the way down really quick. We don't get our fill, so our actual trailing stop of 50 points gets hit. That's awesome. We're done for the day.